to show you how to make chocolate cupcakes. These are the ingredients you need to have. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half cup of unsweetened cacao powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. For the wet ingredients, we have 2 large eggs, room temperature, half cup of oil, vegetable or canola, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk on hand, you can make it by yourself. Now let's get started. Let's start with the wet ingredients first. Two eggs, sugar, whisk.
Give it a whisk.
Give it a whisk. Oil. Give it a good mix. Now let's work with the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour on the strainer, salt, baking soda, cacao powder. Now let's sift them. Make a hole in here. Let's start mixing with some wet ingredient mixture. And half cup of buttermilk. Let's give it a quick mix. All in! Don't worry about the lumps. Your cupcakes don't need to be too smooth. Let's wait for 15 minutes before we bake. Let's preheat the ovens while waiting. 350 degrees for 10 minutes. I'm using silicone cups because I can reuse it. Now I'm pouring in the medium cups. My batter is perfect for 12 cupcakes. Now let's bake them at 350 degrees for 15 minutes to 20 minutes.